Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick review here of the Kingwin KF-255-BK internal hot swappable rack. I'm not happy with this product. Bought it brand new and installed it. It's right here. It looks nice. It's got a great look to it. And I've got it hooked up properly. I've got power and SATA coming plugged into it. No problem there. And I've got the SATA cable plugged into the board down there. No problem. And so if you see here on my screen, I do have 2 drives. That's already installed on the computer. But now what I want to do is try one of these drives in here, which is supposed to be as simple as pushing it in, plugging it in. It snapped right in there. I press the power button. I get a light here lighting up and a light there lighting up. Then that goes away. But up here, I get absolutely nothing. No chime, no noise, not anything. Okay, and even if we go into disk management, that drive is not showing up here either. It's just my 2 drives that I originally installed on the computer. So so let's just shut this off here. I'll pull this out. Let's try 3.5. I'll go 3.5. Slides in great. Pops right in. Press power. I get those same lights. Still looking for a mount here. This is just staying on now. This is off for whatever reason. And I'm not getting anything to mount. No chimes. If I go to disk management and rescan the disks, I'm getting nothing. Nothing. So we'll pop this out. So look, just to show that I am not using bad drives here, I've got a toaster, an external, and I'm just going to plug this in, and I'm going to take this same disc, pop it in here like so, and power this on. And you see I get lights here. And once I do that, and we get the chime, and now we get the drive that mounts. So there are the drives. So definitely an issue with this. So what I have done also is I have changed SATA cable. I've tried another SATA cable, and I've also changed where that is being plugged in at, and I'm still getting the same result. 3.5 and 2.5, 2 different drives, not mounting on this computer. This is a gigabyte AMD motherboard, AMD processor. You know, nothing special. Not working. I'm not happy with this product. I will be returning it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps somebody out. There's more computer repairs coming your way in the future. Do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Also hit that bell if you want to be notified of any new videos coming your way in the future. Also feel free to leave a comment. timscomputerfix.net